Oasis Fertility's Janni Yatra reaches Bengaluru to boost fertility awareness, a nationwide movement bringing expert consultations, free fertility tests, and science-backed guidance directly to communities. Bengaluru, 7th January 2026. Oasis Fertility, India's trusted name in reproductive medicine, after successfully completing its tour to help couples in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu, continues its nationwide fertility awareness movement, Oasis Janni Yatra, by reaching its next stop.
However, people and their attitudes have not changed. So there is a stigma that is associated with infertility. So because of that, people are not aware of how to take the help and where to get the help. So that way, the Oasis Janani Yatra, which we have started in terms of introducing this bus, which is going to travel to different parts of Bangalore, is a very good initiative, because not only will it raise awareness, but it also provides the basic facilities and medical help that is needed to all the couples who are suffering from infertility. Fertility is a medical issue, but the treatment that needs to be taken is very widely available throughout Karnataka. However, because of the social stigma involved, people are not taking the right treatment at the right time, which makes it worse. So I think that if initiated at the right time, it probably is not such a big problem as it is made out to be now. So it's about the taking the initiative part. So the Janani Yatra, Oasis Janani Yatra, is trying to address the gap of awareness creation and also taking the initial step towards initiation of the treatment. So this is the gap that the Yatra is planning to address. No, this is just going to be an initial thing which spreads awareness, probably gets the investigations done for the patients and guides them to the right treatment. There is nothing that is unique to our state as such, but it's probably 1/3 of the problems are due to the male person, 1/3 are due to the female, and 1/3 may be due to both. So there's nothing unique to our state as such. So all males, all females throughout our country face this problem.
So far, this in Karnataka we are starting now. We have already covered Hyderabad, Telangana, Chennai, multiple places in those states. Now Karnataka we are starting with Bangalore. This will go from Bangalore, some more cities outskirts of Bangalore also will be covering. Some cities like Ramnagara, Nelmangla, Hosur, Hoskote. So these are the few areas we'll be starting as of now and then extending it further.
Approximately how many patients have consulted so far, madam? Approximately.
So far in the last 3 states which I mentioned, we have covered more than 200-300 couples have been consulted in these 3 states. So we just started it off like that. Now Bangalore, Karnataka we have to start, and then it will be extending to other states as well. From here planning to extend to Maharashtra. In Maharashtra it will be in Pune and in and around Pune places, and then probably it will go to Odisha also. So multiple states where Oasis is available, we are extending to this kind of service to everybody there.
Can awareness change destiny in fertility?
Yes, definitely. What is more important in fertility is, as we told before, having the right treatment at the right time. So when they are aware, when they know what are the facilities they are available, they can come and take treatment as early the possible. As early they come and consult, better the chances of conception. So basically in Janani Yatra, they can spreading awareness. They'll come and consult the specialist who will be available in the bus for them to talk about their queries, whatever doubts they have, and also most importantly, many are not aware of what are the services that is available. Today the science is advanced so much that so many things can be done. Even people who have had multiple failed or they have reached elderly age also can plan their pregnancy. So what are the best method, safe method, so that they can achieve pregnancy will be told to them as per their needs.
Madam, how do you consider yourself better than other IVF centers?
See, one is we are more scientifically oriented, and it will be an individualized treatment. Like each patient will be assessed as per their needs, what is important, what is their problem, not just having a blanket therapy. So it is like doing a holistic approach, and all the facilities is available under one roof. So having a holistic approach along with a scientific based treatment keeps us apart.
Do you have any criteria for all for going for IVF or else?
Of course, it depends from patient to patient. There are various indications who requires IVF. Depending from female part, it will be a different indications. From male part also, we look at different indications. If I have to just put forward those who have tubal issues, where the sperm count is very less than 1 million. So these are the few patients who will definitely benefit from IVF. So we need to evaluate and see what is their problem, where is the exact cause which is having that hindrance from achieving pregnancy, and then plan the treatment accordingly.